learners. So today, I will discuss about the importance of geography. So kung hindi mo pa napapanood yung basic concepts and nature of geography, andito siya. So panoorin mo na lang para mas maliwanagan ka about geography. Sige, simulan na natin. Geography is vital in humanity. It answers natural phenomena and human existence scientifically, as well as cultural factors present in the Earth's surface. So, lahat ng yon ay very essential in understanding the geography. Due to a massive improvement of modern technology, geographers use those inventions to explore more and give clear and concrete description of the Earth. So, here are some importance of studying geography. Number 1, man improves the body of knowledge. So here, man wants to know about his vast domain. Of all the school subjects, geography is the only one that can give a picture and an explanation of it. So let us give an example. So if we're going to talk about the evolution of man, if we're going to go back to the time period of history, showing the evolution process allows the person to understand the historical background of a man. It is very essential to understand the origin of man for us to know the origin and way of life in the past. So next, Earth's layer. By studying geography, scientifically, it shows images about layers of the Earth, which allows us to understand the structure and the composition of the Earth. Right? Next, by studying geography, we can easily or nearly see the continents, its places and regions, climate, and the locations. It's either a relative location or absolute location. Okay? Next, we have here another importance of geography is geography makes life easy and accessible. Through studying geography, we will be aware about the surroundings, especially when it comes to survival and lifestyle. Let me give you some common examples about this. So, by understanding and studying geography, you can choose places where to live, learn where local schools, hospitals, supermarket, and shopping malls are located. Additionally, when it comes to traveling, by simply looking on your Google map, you can easily find the alternative way or the alternative route to reach your destination. Airports and other aviation makes the travel easy and short, right? So here, it simply means that by studying geography, people may find right place where needs and leisure will supported. Okay? Next. Number 3, geography allows to understand the diversity of culture and way of life. So, by studying geography, we can access knowledge about the diverse culture present in the world. This might be essential if you travel and explore every corners of the world. However, it's not a matter of point, right? You can also travel by simply looking and reading books and browsing internet, which describes the humanity, especially its culture and way of life. Okay? So let me give you an example. So talking about language, through studying geography, we can capture different languages used in our regions or in your places. Kung titingnan natin dito sa diagram na to, makikita natin yung connection ng language doon sa societal elements. Dito pinapakita kung paano nakakaapekto ang language na ginagamit mo sa societal elements and paano naman nakakaapekto yung societal elements sa pagbabago ng lengguwahe. Okay? So next, how about their culture? Okay, let me give you an example. Yung Morse tribe in Ethiopia, this tribe live in Omo Valley, an isolated region in Ethiopia. They are one of the last regions that still wear traditional clothing and accessories. They are popular in wearing lip plates. So, ayan. Ganyan guys yung itsura nila, yung Morse tribe. A girl's lower lip is cut when she reaches 15 to 16 years old. It is up to the female how far they want the lip to be stretched. Lip plates are frequently worn by unmarried girls. The lip plates carries a number of meanings. First, it is a symbol of great beauty. Second, marks of commitment to the husband because it's worn with great pride when serving him food. If the husband dies, the lip plate is removed, which signify that woman's beauty is said to fade after his death. And lastly, it is a powerful visual marker of Morse identity. So, very important sa kanila yon kasi pag hindi nila yan ginagawa, mapagkakamalan silang ibang tribo. Another example, we have here KAYAN tribe located in Myanmar. Women are wearing brass coils around their necks at the age of 5 to 6. Sinusuot nila yan para mapahaba yung kanilang leeg. Kasi the belief is that the longer the neck, the more beautiful the woman. In fact, it also earns respect and popularity, attracting curious tourists and revenue for villagers. So, at the same time, napagkakakitaan nila yung kanilang kultura. Geography examines and sharpens the intellectual and practice skills. Geography will help people gain a better understanding of the world in which they live. This broader concept of geography will help young people understand the great tasks of being a geologist or geographers, engineers, architects, sociologists, and economists. So, this field of study or other discipline will help in shaping new world or better world. Okay? Next. Number 5, geography provides essential planning and managing economic development. So, dito, by simply looking on the possibility of uses of land sa isang lugar, yung ating mga ekonomista ay naghahanap na pwedeng mapagtayuan ng farms, factories, mining industries, and so on. Malaki yung papel na ginagampanan ng ating mga ekonomista para makultivate ng maayos yung ating natural resources, especially yung ating landforms. Okay? Next. Number 6, geography equips students with fundamental technical knowledge in teaching careers. Having enough understanding and knowledge about the concept of geography, you can also educate others in many ways. It's either a traditional way of teaching or by the use of the power of technology. So, in summary, geography plays a big role in humanity. It focuses on the study of existence of man and the world stuff or the things that surrounds the earth. Basically, we can further understand the value of geography if we start now to appreciate the world's gift to make difference. Okay? So, I think It's your turn to answer the following questions. Uh, Number 1, give your own idea about the importance of geography. Number 2, cite instances in your daily life where knowledge of geography becomes useful and significant. Just comment down below para ma-shoutout kita sa susunod kong video. Thanks for watching and keep learning!